Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Oracle Espresso machine. It comes to us with a leak from many spots. And so when I test the machine, I found a leak from the top of the boilers. That was like related to gaskets, like O-rings, something like that, a lot of them. So, and also I noticed the valves here, the drain valves was like both of them broken, and one of them was stuck in the middle, so it was also leaking from there all the time, and the machine wasn't reach the temperature. So I repair all of that and I give the machine tune up. I flush both boilers twice and I descale the machine. I deep clean it, replace the groove head gasket and the shower screen. And while I was doing that, replacing the O-rings in a boiler that was on a steam boiler, this side actually was the same like that. So that was stuck while I'm pulling it, it gets broken there. So it takes me long time to get that out, and I replace this hose with a new one. And so the machine now is supposed to be okay. So let's go ahead and test it. Make a espresso shot on it. It was calibrated on 14, so I'm gonna leave it in here as it is. I'm not gonna change the calibration until I notice how it's doing. Yep, it's hard a little bit with the newer gasket, but it's okay. No, I'll just get the hot water instead of the espresso. Okay, there you go. You can go to coarser grind and get more coffee, but this is perfect shot for espresso. I mean, the customer can recalibrate it as he needs from here, or he can program it. So let's take the steamer. That steam one got like deep cleaning too. That works perfect. This is the auto and manual. So the machine, let me see the hot water function. So that's functioning good too. The machine works perfect. Thank you for watching.